Welcome. If you're tired of Instagram automatically saving every story you post to your phone's gallery, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from saving your stories to your gallery with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're looking to save space on your device or just want more control over your photos, this quick guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the setting. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Tap on those lines to open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Archiving and Downloading. This is where Instagram keeps all the settings related to saving and archiving your content. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Archiving and Downloading section, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Save Story to Gallery. If this switch is turned on, every story you post will automatically be saved to your phone's gallery. To stop this from happening, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You'll know it's off when the switch is grayed out and no longer highlighted. That's it. From now on, your Instagram stories won't be saved to your phone's gallery unless you choose to save them manually. This is a great way to keep your camera roll tidy and avoid cluttering your gallery with every story you share. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this setting and turn it back on. For now, enjoy the extra space and privacy on your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips. See you next time.